Hi, I'm Dr. Jacqui Fleury, naturopathic doctor, and I want to take a few minutes to explain how the sludge came to be. So, this really started in clinical practice. And for years, I was working with patients who were coming in with very similar patterns. They were feeling bloated, struggling with constipation or irregular digestion, low energy, brain fog, mood changes, and overall just not feeling like themselves. And what I started to notice was that we were often chasing each of these symptoms individually, but we weren't really addressing what was sitting underneath all of it. So I began to shift my focus more toward the gut, not just digestion in the traditional sense, but the environment of the gut, because when that environment is off, it impacts everything. And as I started supporting that properly, not aggressively, but in a way that worked with the body, things began to change in a way that patients could actually feel. So their digestion became more predictable, the bloating started to settle, their energy improved, and even things like mood and mental clarity began to shift. And that's when it really clicked for me that this wasn't about treating one symptom at a time. It was about supporting a system that everything else depends on. So, the combination of ingredients that I had been using consistently in practice eventually became what is now known as the sludge. And I kept coming back to it because of how reliably it supported the foundation. So, the easiest way that I can explain how this product works is if you imagine your gut is like a garden. And if the garden is weedy, nothing is going to grow or function the way it's supposed to. So, we focus on weeding the garden so that your body can start to do what it's designed to do. It's about creating the conditions for things to work better. This establishes a really solid foundation when so many other things will work better. Below this, you'll find short videos where I'm going to walk you through the most common questions that I get, how to take the sludge, what to expect, and whether it's a right fit for you. Start with a question that feels most relevant and then go from there.